Yeah, it's Willie here from Cystix Australasia. We're just on site at the moment doing a netting job, because we do actually sell 50mm and 19mm netting with a 10-year guarantee on the product. So what's happened here in this air conditioning allotment is electricians or air conditioners have come in and installed a new aircon. They've just cut the net off and yeah, left no net. So we're just actually coming back up here to reinstall the net. I'm with Lindsay and Dan here from Mandurah Pest Control, family owned business in Mandurah for about 50 years I believe. And yeah, what a great, well, look at this office, what a great place to be working today. So yeah, I'm going to give these guys a hand and we'll come back and show you the finished result of the netting. So we have got all the net in place with the beautiful scenery in the background. Dan being my safety anchor on the ladder here. So anyway, that's the net fully installed again. Hopefully the air conditioning guys don't rip this one out. But yeah, good job done. Tension's really good. Yeah, perfect. All right, no worries. Thanks again.